Welcome back, beautiful people. English Listen Easy is here to help you understand faster.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. Sorry I'm a little late today.
That's okay, Jack. What are you doing right now, exactly?
Right now, I'm putting my headphones on and finding my seat.
Great! You're multitasking already.
I am. I'm always doing 3 things at once, it feels like.
That sounds like a busy life.
It is. I'm busy almost every single day.
Do you ever get time to just relax?
Sometimes, but not enough, honestly.
You should try to take a break more often.
I know. Maybe this weekend I'll finally rest.
I hope so. You need it.
Thanks, Emma. Okay, let's get into today's topic now.
Well, that connects perfectly with today's topic, actually.
Oh, right. We're talking about present continuous today.
Yes, specifically how to ask and answer, "What are you doing right now?"
That's a question I hear a lot in everyday English.
Me too. It's one of the most common questions there is.
Let's start with the question form. How do we build it?
Sure, what plus are, is, or am plus the subject plus verb with ing.
What are you doing? What is she doing? What am I doing?
Perfect examples. You built all 3 easily.
This connects to our last episode about present continuous.
It does. We already know the basic form, so this feels easy.
How do we usually answer this question?
We just say the subject, am, is, or are, and the ing verb.
I'm reading a book. She's cooking dinner. They're watching TV.
Perfect. Short, clear, and very natural.
Can you give me a real example from your day right now?
Sure. Right now, I'm sitting in the studio talking to you.
And I'm sitting here too, holding my coffee cup.
Great. A very exciting answer, Jack.
Hey, it's true. Coffee is exciting to me.
Let's imagine some other people and what they're doing right now.
Okay, good idea. What do you think my sister is doing right now?
Maybe she's working at her office.
Actually, she's probably eating lunch right now. It's almost noon for her.
Oh, right. Good point. She's probably eating lunch.
We can use probably when we're not 100% sure.
That's a really useful word to add to a guess.
What about your parents? What might they be doing?
My mom is probably reading. She reads every afternoon.
And your dad?
He's probably watching sports. He loves sports on TV.
That sounds like a very typical afternoon for him.
It really is. His routine never changes much.
What about my parents? Can you guess what they're doing?
Maybe your dad is fixing something in the garage.
Actually, that's a really good guess. He loves fixing things.
And your mom?
She's probably talking on the phone with her sister right now.
That sounds very normal for a Tuesday afternoon.
It really is. Some things never change in my family.
Let's talk about negative answers now. I'm not sleeping right now. She's not working today.
We just add not after am, is, or are.
Exactly right, just like in our last episode.
I remember when I first learned this question.
Really? Tell me about that.
Yes. Someone asked me, "What are you doing?" And I said, "I do my homework."
Oh, Jack, simple form instead of continuous.
My teacher said, it's I am doing my homework right now.
That's a helpful correction. One clear correction can really fix a habit in your brain.
Do you have a mistake story too, Emma?
Yes, actually. I once answered, I watch a movie instead of I'm watching.
Same kind of mistake.
I know, my friend said, but you're watching it right now, Emma. Use ing.
That makes sense. The question itself is a clue about the tense.
Exactly. If someone asks right now, the answer usually needs ing too.
That's a smart way to remember it. Match the question's tense.
It really works well as a simple trick.
I think that trick will help a lot of our listeners too.
I hope so. It's such a small thing, but it makes a big difference.
Okay, before we continue, let's ask you to subscribe. Subscribe so you don't miss our next episodes. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, please. It really helps our small channel grow.
Thank you, listeners. Now, let's practice with some fun examples.
Let's imagine we're at a busy park right now.
Okay. What is one person doing at the park?
A man is running around the park with his dog.
He's running with his dog. Nice and clear.
What about a group of kids?
They're playing soccer near the trees.
They're playing soccer. Perfect present continuous sentence.
What about an old woman on a bench?
She's sitting quietly and reading a newspaper.
She's sitting and reading. Two actions together. That's nice.
Yes, we can even connect two ing verbs like that.
This park is really busy with people doing so many things.
It really is. A busy place is perfect for practicing this tense.
What about someone on a bicycle?
A young man is riding his bicycle really fast.
He's riding his bicycle fast. Nice, clear sentence.
What about a family having a picnic?
A family is eating sandwiches under a big tree.
They're eating sandwiches under a tree. Very natural description.
I can really picture this busy park now.
Me too. This is such a fun way to practice grammar.
Let's do a quick practice round for our listeners now.
Great idea. I'll describe an action and you make a full sentence.
Okay, I'm ready.
A woman cooking in the kitchen.
A woman is cooking in the kitchen.
Correct. Next one. Two boys playing video games.
Two boys are playing video games.
Perfect. One more. I drinking coffee right now.
I am drinking coffee right now.
Great job. Let me try one from you now.
Okay, you listening to this episode at the moment.
I am listening to this episode at the moment.
Correct. You even used our old word moment perfectly.
I didn't even plan that. It just came out naturally.
That's how you know a word is really stuck in your brain.
I think it really is now after so much practice.
One more round, please. Let's try a harder one.
Okay. Our dog sleeping on the sofa at the moment.
Our dog is sleeping on the sofa at the moment.
Perfect. That was a long one, but you got it right.
Thanks. I think all the practice today really helped.
It did. You're much faster with this tense now.
Let's do a light recap for our listeners.
Sure. What are you doing asks about actions happening right now.
We answer with the subject am, is, or are, and a verb with ing.
We can add probably when we're guessing, not sure.
That word really helps when you don't know the exact answer.
It does. It makes your guess sound natural, not too certain.
And negatives just add not after am, is, or are.
Pretty much, yeah. That covers this useful little question perfectly.
Now, let's talk about our word of the episode.
I used it earlier when we talked about our schedules today.
Right. Emma, what does busy mean exactly?
Busy means you have a lot of things to do and not much free time.
Can you give a simple example?
Sure. I'm busy right now. Can we talk later?
That's a really useful sentence for everyday life.
It is. People say this a lot when they're working or studying.
Can busy describe a place too, not just a person?
Yes, this street is always busy. That means full of people or cars.
Oh, like the park we talked about earlier.
Exactly. The park is busy today. Same idea, different situation.
I'll try to use busy more when I talk about my week.
You can use it anytime you talk about being active or having little time.
Can busy describe a phone line too? I hear that sometimes.
Yes, the line is busy. That means someone else is already on the phone.
Oh, I didn't know that meaning before.
It's a bit old-fashioned now, but people still say it.
That's interesting. One word, so many different uses.
Exactly. That's what makes learning vocabulary so fun.
Let's give our listeners a tip now.
My tip is simple. Look around you and describe what people are doing.
It's like a game you can play anywhere.
Exactly. On a bus, at a cafe, even at home with your family.
I sometimes do this on the bus. It's a fun way to practice.
That's a great habit. It trains your brain to think in English fast.
Yes, and it makes boring bus rides much more interesting too.
It really does. Practice can happen anywhere, not just in a classroom.
Do you think this question is one of the most useful in English?
Definitely. People ask, "What are you doing?" all the time in real life.
That's true, especially in messages and phone calls.
Exactly. It's a perfect question for starting a casual conversation.
I hope our listeners feel ready to use it more now.
I hope so too. Confidence comes with practice, step by step.
Okay, listeners, we're almost at the end of our episode.
If this episode helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
We're always working on new episodes for you.
So come back soon for more English fun.
Before we go, let's remember our word, busy.
Try writing a sentence in the comments using this word. You could write something like, "I'm busy this morning."
Or, my mom is always busy with work.
Great examples.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time, listeners.
Bye for now.